It seems like all new cars come with fancy touchscreens that take up a sizable amount of real estate on the dashboard. But what if you don't own a new vehicle? You're stuck with the old school single DIN radio without a fancy large screen or infotainment system. That advanced smartphone in your pocket is useless when it comes to streaming your favorite music, getting step-by-step navigation directions, voice to text, or making calls. What you need is a serious upgrade to the sound quality and stereo system in your vehicle. An aftermarket car stereo can do just that. Modern single and double DIN units come with the latest innovative features that you find in new vehicles. Now is a great time to consider a new car stereo for your ride. Not only do you get performance upgrades and expandability over factory radios, but stereo makers are incorporating a variety of ways for connecting to your phone to provide navigation, streaming music, and remote control apps. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 7 best car stereos to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 7. ATOTO F7XC. The ATOTO F7 is an excellent stereo for under $200 price point, and it fits a large variety of vehicles. The built-in apps work great on the device, while you get an outstanding picture quality on the large, easy-to-read display. Use the Apple CarPlay feature in the ATOTO F7 to navigate, make calls, and much more using a simple touch or voice command. CarPlay takes your phone's functions and places them on the head unit's display so you can focus on driving. ATOTO F7 is also Android Auto capable, so you have all your phone's functionality on the dash. The ATOTO F7 boasts a full HD 7-inch display offering true color pictures from any angle. This large screen ensures everything is clear, it's responsive, so you get full fingertip operation while using the stereo. Bluetooth function of the ATOTO F7 allows music streaming and hands-free calling. Connect the ATOTO F7 to your smartphone using the unit's USB cable running to the back. The ATOTO F7 double DIN stereo supports steering wheel control, so you're in control of the infotainment system. Use the stereo wheel controls to adjust volume, change radio stations, and switch songs. Additional support for a rear view camera offers convenient parking. ATOTO F7 is a universal stereo and is easy to install in any dash, even for newcomers to car DIY, although you may need a wiring harness to fit it. The ATOTO F7 stereo is the perfect option if you're looking for a 7-inch display with support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Number 6. ATOTO A6PF. We think this is one of the best car stereo receivers that's made with Android users specifically in mind because it's designed with that OS in mind and includes a wide set array of pre-installed multimedia and navigation apps that we found in our research. iPhone owners shouldn't be the only ones to find a car stereo receiver that's made especially for them. While iPhone users can use the ATOTO A6PF Android double DIN Android car navigation stereo with Bluetooth, it's designed to natively support Android devices. We think it's one of the best car stereo receivers for Android users because it was developed using Android 10 OS and comes with a wide range of media and navigation apps pre-installed such as Pandora, Google Play, Spotify, and Google Maps. There's also the Easy Connect app that makes pairing your devices easier. Note that this car stereo receiver can also work with iPhones, but it's more intuitive for Android users. And you can choose between 9 system languages for your display. Android users can use USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi to connect their devices to this car stereo receiver. The dual Bluetooth design also allows multiple devices to pair simultaneously. We like that this receiver supports micro USB and SD drive storage with 256GB for micro SD and 1TB USB. This receiver also offers the largest touchscreen in our guide at 7 inches wide. We like that you have rear and front-facing camera integration for safety features. Number 5. Alpine ILX-W650. Let's face it, tech advancement doesn't stop. As such, in order to add the latest bell or whistle, particularly with car stereos, you're going to have the space to add on to it. The Alpine ILX-W650 is the type of car stereo that has room enough to grow. The ILX-W650 is double DIN and features a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. Control is easy and intuitive using the straightforward touchscreen. This mech-less head unit is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Connectivity is via Bluetooth, 2 camera inputs, and USB. Other features include an external microphone for voice commands and hands-free phone use, steering wheel control compatibility, Sirius XM ready, etc. The sound quality is superb with 50-watt X4 power and a built-in amplifier. An outstanding feature is the size of the unit. The device has a shallow mount design at only 2 to 13 by 16 inches deep, leaving plenty of room for feature expandability with other aftermarket accessories. The shallow footprint also makes installation a breeze. What makes the Alpine ILX-W650 one of the best car stereos is not only its features and performance, but also its size, which is accommodating for expansion. It's one of those no-worry head units that you won't regret. Number 4. Boss BE950 WCPA. If you think plugging in your smartphone is a hassle, Boss's BE950 WCPA double-DIN digital multimedia receiver offers up ways to connect your phone without being tethered. It's also loaded with deep sound sculpting tone controls and ways to add more gear for better sound and additional driver assistance. This Stereo's 5-year warranty is one of the longest in the category. All of that makes the BE950 WCPA one of our best values in the multimedia receiver category. This receiver lets you link into wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can control your media with an interface you already know on the Boss's 6.75-inch touchscreen display. And built-in Bluetooth lets you and other passengers quickly stream music and take hands-free phone calls. Audio-video features. The wired connections on this receiver are pretty cool too. 2 camera inputs let you add a backup camera plus an additional camera for things you might tow, like a trailer or boat. A rear aux input lets you connect just about any device with an analog output. There are plenty of equalizer settings, so you can zero in on just the right sound for you. Number 3. Kenwood DDX9907XR. The DDX9907XR from Kenwood's Excellon series took the gold in this category due to its unparalleled sound quality, easy-to-use touchscreen interface, expansive audio tuning suite, and a whole lot more. Let's tackle the sound quality bullet point first, shall we? Kenwood decided to use top-shelf components in the making of this model. All these components come together to help you achieve some truly impressive sound quality. No joke, it's awesome. Sure, it sounds good, but is it easy to use? Heck yeah, it is. The sleek capacitive touchscreen that Kenwood sourced for this model is marvelous. It can be seen day or night in your car, and the interface is fluid and you'll grasp the gist of it in minutes. If you're an audio aficionado and love to tweak the audio settings, you'll be thrilled about the built-in 13-band EQ, digital time alignment, crossover settings, etc. Get the perfect sound and from any seat. We saved the best for last here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are built into this unit, so you can remain connected throughout your journeys via text or cell. You can use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze for navigation purposes, listen to your favorite playlists from Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music, Pandora, and even enjoy some audiobooks. The DDX9907XR is a fantastic option for you to consider. Number 2. Sony XAV-AX8100. The Sony XAV-AX8100 Mechless single-DIN receiver offers wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to create an interface that's just like your phone. All of your navigation, music, and your phone apps are shown off and controlled on its big 8.95-inch touchscreen display. In addition to the phone integration mentioned above, the Sony stereo includes Bluetooth for wireless convenience. The included web link feature allows you to mirror select apps directly onto its display. Audio-video features. This receiver's 10-band EQ lets you get just your right sound, while the 5.5-volt preamp outputs enable you to add amplifiers for your speakers and a sub. There's even an input for a rear-view camera, great for tight parking spots. A rear USB port lets you hook your phone, and an HDMI input provides an option for a game system or Blu-ray player to be added. Number 1. Pioneer AVH-W4500NEX. The AVH-W4500NEX is our top pick for a multimedia player. Pioneer recently introduced the NEX line to take advantage of the newest connectivity options currently available. The 4500NEX features a sizable 6.9-inch capacitive touchscreen that is easily installed in many vehicles to add modern functionality. The capacitive touchscreen is clear and easy to see, even in bright, direct light. It can even be adjusted to compensate for bizarre dash designs and to make viewing angles easier. It packs all the best features into an easy-to-use device, making it our top pick. Out of the box, the W4500NEX is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it a great option for those who want GPS along with all of the latest audio streaming capabilities. What we also like about this unit is the ability to wirelessly mirror your screen from a smartphone. You can use this feature to mirror video directly from your device to the head unit. The unit is also iData link friendly, so you can integrate various system controls like climate control, heated seats, vehicle data like RPM and speed, and much more. A vehicle-specific iData link Maestro unit will be required to make this available. What also makes this unit an ideal multimedia or video player is the expandability options that it has. Dual USB ports allow you to connect to multiple devices like MP3 players, smartphones, and tablets. An HDMI input along with 2 rear AV inputs enables practically any video input source from Fire Sticks or Fire TVs to game consoles. From simple CD stereos with Bluetooth connectivity to big touchscreen multimedia receiver with user-friendly app interfaces like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, there are a lot of choices for upgrading your vehicle's overall sound experience. However, getting the best car stereo is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.